Hey, good morning, growers. This is meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Let's get to it. A lot to talk about today. All right, we got our first weather maker is a cold front. Showers up here. It's going to leave us with a dry day today. I also want to preface this with I had a good conversation with agronomist crop scout Christy, and she's concerned, and I was concerned about the colder temperatures coming and how the soil could cool down. So her kind of, I guess, hopefully I'm putting the right words in her mouth is, sugar beet's fine, but the other crops she'd probably hold off until it warms up. And later in the week, if it starts to show warmer temperatures, plant the lighter ground first. Now, these were the temperatures this morning, so we did have some 25, 27 degree readings. All right, so when does that cold front and precipitation come through? If you're still planting sugar beets today, we're into this afternoon. We're fine, and we're into 6 o'clock tonight. And now we're at 10, 11, midnight, 1 o'clock. So sometime between 11 and 1 o'clock, a line of showers, maybe even a thunder shower could blow through. Then we turn colder and we get into some snow showers. Huron County could have a little bit more potent snow showers and a burst of rain showers that this model wouldn't show. Now, again, if you're looking at apps and they go off of NOAA or something, I noticed the NOAA extended forecast, chance of rain, 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 chance of rain. Okay, so here's where hopefully this will help you discern whether it's a significant chance or if it's a significant rain. We've been watching this. We're going into Wednesday now. We've been watching this. This has been showing up for days now. You got to admit, such a small system showing up for days and only fluctuating 50 miles in distance. This is Wednesday, 10 in the morning, 11, 12, 1. Again, we're at the end of our model run for this model, so it can be suspect, but it means that there could be some spurts of snow again on Wednesday. And again, just another sign that soil warmth will be hard to build here the next several days. This is total rainfall out of this system. And, you're looking at, this is 1/10 of an inch. So I'm going to say with the lake enhancement, I would call it 1/10 to 2/10. I wouldn't be surprised to see 3/10 in Huron County. And if you heard a rumble of thunder, anywhere might have 3/10. So it'll get a little wet. Maybe that's a good thing because it will slow you down, slow your desire to keep planting down. Maybe that's a good thing. Look at these soil temperatures. This is at the Saginaw Valley Beet and Bean Research Farm at Frankenmuth, and that's the 18th, 40 degrees. Let's go to the latest, so we're looking at 43-ish degrees for soil temperatures yesterday, and we do have the colder weather coming in. So here we go with the model run for the European. There's our cold front coming in, and remember, this is just a simple thing to look at. These blue lines, the deeper we are into them, the colder it is. We're going to be minus 10 Celsius at 5,000 feet up, and that's well cold enough for snow and spurty rain showers and cold. And you want to see these red lines come over us, so we'll keep going out 10 days and see when that happens. Here's our Wednesday little weather system, light amounts. And here's a Thursday thing that everybody says chance of rain, but you can see it's not well put together. The cold air backing off. We're starting to get to the above zero temperatures at 5,000 feet. This is new right here. This is brand new. This is for Saturday, and we had been dry. Remember, there was a storm to the south, so this might be just a fluky run that's not good, or we'll have to watch the trend. A little bit of a cold snap behind it for the weekend. Not as cold as what we are, because remember, now we're talking 0, -1, -2, versus we're going to be minus 10 at 5,000 feet tomorrow at some point. And then again, we start to see the warmer temperatures aloft moving in. We're getting out there. We're getting out to April 28th now. And we'll go to the end of the run just to see how it sets up. And we like this pattern. Definitely, as you see, several isotherms here and a westerly wind, and just a little bit wider of a perspective for you to see what's happening. 2 changes. Remember, this thing right here on Saturday, that's something brand new. And because of that, remember that big storm that we were looking at? It kills it off and keeps it to the south. And it doesn't do that anymore with that big storm. And then we go to the end of the run, and we see that there's a fairly nice amount of warm temperatures. Still cold poised to the north, but these cold fronts are going to have a tougher time each time as the warmth comes in, warms the Great Lakes up and whatnot. So I guess what I would say is, from talking to agronomists, sugar beets, fine. Next couple of days, the soil temperature is going to go down, probably 40, 42 degrees. At night, it might even be in the 30s. You might even get a little, maybe a tiny frost on the very surface, possibly, if we were to clear out at any time. Fortunately, this will be a windy, cold situation, which keeps you from deep freezing temperatures, which we already had this morning. And then as we get toward the end of the week, things start to slowly inch out of the cold, and we'll just keep an eye on that. All right, have yourselves a great Monday. Take care.